Hi guys, we're outside again. We just went stop in the bank and go to Costco. I'm sorry I put you under there because there's a lot of people just when you're vlogging and it's really you're not used to it yet and you see this guy is backing up. Oh my god, you have Lexus, don't bump my car. Um when you're vlogging and then people watch you, seriously, it's crazy. My husband is a little crazy.
The door was stuck open. I was closing it, but they had a clip thing there, so I guess.
Yeah.
No, usually you close the door. I figured it was just stuck, but apparently they actually physically put something there.
Yeah, you touch everything.
Yes,
Oh, you can get out. Look, because there's the one over behind you is very close to you. And this woman just...
Any room.
This is the color of the phone I like. The next phone is gonna be like that. What is this? Oh, this is a 6S, guys. Oh, the yellow one. What is this? It's the yellow one. Hi guys, we're already here. This fan is just blowing in my ear. They just open and we just get here. And of course we have to walk aisles to aisles to check. I get that before. I have that ice collar. Huh?
I got it. Okay. Bags.
Do we have that?
No, we need them.
It's a nice little shed. It's big.
You can get up to 10 feet, so you can get a big one.
Wow. It smells already, guys. Oh, this little housey for the dog. Oh, for a baby. These two dogs doesn't even eat nothing. They get hungry, like they make themselves so hungry that they thought we're gonna give them something special like turkey, something like that. Hi, Han. Guwapo naman na, oy. Hi, Rox. Hi, Roxy. Are you hungry? What do you want? What do you want? Do you wanna do something fun? What do you want? Huh? Roxy? Do you want something? What do you want? This mango. This is what I look like, guys, if I eat it. If I edit my video, this is what I look like. Headset and my eyeglass. These eyeglasses, I just got this from Forever 21. And yeah, I don't have a bad eyes right now, but I get this for a reason. There's like there is a blocking between my eyes and the laptop, because I notice every time I have this, every time I do editing, every time I do I am in my laptop, my eyes start hurting. So that's why I decided to get this. So yeah, this is how I look like if I eat it. Hi guys, do you wanna have some lunch with me? This is a big lunch, guys. Okra, shrimp, and rice, and how do you call that? Mango beans. Yeah, that's my lunch. It's a very big lunch, guys. I don't have breakfast. I did it intentionally that I can eat a lot. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Did you hear that noise, guys? All the time, every time I sit in this area, in this couch here, I hear this weird noise from, I think it's the pipe in the middle of the wall here. I think there is a pipe here. Of course there is a pipe because the toilet is right there, up there. So I think there's a pipe over here and always making noises. I don't know what's going on with the pipe. Did you hear it? Yeah, it's a pipe. I am back. I'm going to change my top because I wear this one for my video. And yeah, I'm going upstairs to change and put jeans on because I have my pajama on. So yeah, guys, I'm going to pick up my mother in Luzon. Somebody's in there. Our neighbor is cleaning his car right now. And yeah, because it's a nice day today, guys. Very nice. I will eat this mango later, guys. Before this, because I bought this for reason because it's really really green. It's not ripe. Now it's ripe because I just let it stand here. I tried one yesterday. It's very aslom. Oh my god, it's very sour. That's the one I wanted. And today I will eat it and I will go outside. Okay, let's go. We're just walking outside. Come here, it's right here. It's very nice outside. Come here, let's go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Go back. We're going back. We're going back. We're going back. Let's go. Let's go. It's right here. We're going back because I see a mailman over there. Yeah, it's nice day today to go walking, and they love it. So let's go right here. Oh my god, I'm so tired. You guys are running. Why? It's tiring. Okay, right here. There's tree over here. You wanna use the tree here? There's the tree. They love it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come see. Spicy. This is the mango that I got. That it's not ripe. No, it's still ripe. It's okay. My head is killing me. And the pain is in the back of my neck. The back of my neck. And it's really painful. I talked to Advils already. And it's still not working. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad, guys, that I wanna just lie down. I want a bad headache. So anyway guys, this vlog today is not gonna be so fun vlog, but yeah, it's nothing guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just gonna lie down and close my eyes. Hi guys, good evening. It's already 8 o'clock. I just got up. It's 8 o'clock in the at night already. I don't even feed the dog. I don't feed the cat. I told you I just going to take a nap, and then suddenly like my husband woke me up. Like I hear the car and the dog is barking. So that's why. So we're gonna have dinner now. Hold on guys. We'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, it's just we're gonna have our dinner. This is my dinner. I will show you. It's a late dinner. Mango. Yeah. And okra, of course. So yeah, anyway guys, I will call it a night because it's already late for me to having dinner. So yeah. Good night guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.